If you didn't do these 5 things after a C-section while living in Europe, your belly will never go in. Do you live in Europe? Have you also had a C-section? And do you still find yourself standing in front of the mirror thinking, "Why won't this belly go in? I've tried everything." Then remember, even in Europe, with advanced treatments, good hospitals, and the best facilities, if you didn't do these 5 things, reducing the belly is almost impossible. And this isn't just hearsay. It's backed by modern European medical research. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Health Bridge Europe, your own channel, where we don't sell medicine and we don't make false promises. Our mission is only one: to give you honest, research-based medical information without greed, without deception. Today on Health Bridge Europe, we'll tell you what common misconceptions do women living in Europe have, and what are the 5 European recovery habits after a C-section, without which your belly just won't reduce. Chapter 1 in the body after a C-section in Europe. According to research from Europe's famous Karolinska Institute, Sweden, cesarean section is not a simple delivery. It is a full abdominal surgery involving multi-layer cuts, and it requires 3 to 6 months of consistent recovery protocols. During a C-section, the uterus, the abdominal wall, the skin, and muscles are all cut to deliver the baby. And that's the moment when the real belly problem begins. 1. Accumulation of deep visceral fat. 2. Diastasis recti, separation of abdominal muscles. 3. Lymphatic blockages. 4. Gut slowdown. 5. And hormonal fat trapping. Women in Europe often think, "We were discharged from the hospital quickly, everything is fine." But the actual healing starts at home. Chapter 2: 5 common mistakes by European mothers that prevent belly reduction. 1. Sitting all day, even with a modern European lifestyle. In Europe, after a C-section, women get only 2 or 3 days of hospital stay. After that, they go home and rest, but over-resting is dangerous. According to Health Bridge Europe, mild walking, even 10 minutes a day, increases blood flow, reduces visceral fat, and supports digestion. But what happens? Most women end up sitting on the couch, bed, or near the pram. European solution: German clinics offer postpartum walking therapy. In Scandinavian countries, mothers are given stroller walking plans. Start walking 15 to 20 minutes in the park, twice a day. 2. Avoiding the belly belt in the name of comfort. In Europe, due to modern dressing and comfort culture, many mothers avoid postpartum binders. But according to Karolinska Institute's gynecologist Dr. Anna Forsberg, medical-grade abdominal binders can help muscles return to normal alignment and reduce inner fat accumulation. European solution. In France, women are given a binder right at the hospital. In Italy, mothers wear compression wear for 6 weeks. In the UK, physiotherapists offer belt-fitting guides. Number 3. Adopting a low-calorie diet, which actually harms recovery. Women living in Europe want to slim down quickly, so after a C-section, many mothers only eat toast, tea, or diet yogurt. But this actually blocks healing. Health Bridge Europe dietitian Dr. Elizabeth Mahler says protein deficiency after C-section leads to slow recovery and increased belly fat retention. European solution? In Greece, Spain, and Portugal, women follow the postpartum Mediterranean diet, which includes grilled chicken, olive oil, boiled lentils, and Greek yogurt. Consume 60 to 80 grams of protein daily, whether from lentils or eggs. Number 4. Drinking less water due to cold weather. Since Europe is generally cold, women drink warm tea after C-section but drink very little water. According to UK NHS guidelines, dehydration post-C-section leads to constipation, bloating, and increased intra-abdominal pressure. European solution? In Finland, postpartum women are given herbal warm water. You should also drink 8 to 10 glasses of lukewarm water daily. Mint water with green tea is also beneficial. Number 5. Mental stress, sleep deprivation, and alone recovery. Even while living in Europe, many women go through postpartum depression because there's no family. Everything has to be managed alone. According to Maternal Mental Health Europe, stress increases cortisol, the belly fat hormone, and poor sleep disturbs all healing processes. European solution? In France, mothers get 12 free counseling sessions. In the UK, mother and baby groups support mental well-being. Chapter 3. HealthBridge Europe's 3-month healing plan. The HealthBridge Europe team conducted research on 450 postpartum mothers in Barcelona, Berlin, Paris, and Oslo. These mothers were given this plan for just 3 months. Month
Action.
First month, 10-minute daily walk plus protein-rich soup plus compression belt. Second month, stroller walk plus Mediterranean lunch plus mild yoga. Third month, breathing exercises plus belly massage plus sleep tracking. Result? 83% of the women had reduced belly size and they felt mentally more stable as well. Conclusion. A message for every mother living in Europe. Motherhood is a blessing, but recovering alone in Europe is a real challenge. If you also gave up movement in the name of comfort, avoided protein, ignored binders, and neglected your stress, then it's time to start focusing on yourself again. HealthBridge Europe is here for you, with research, guidance, and support. Share this video so that every mother fighting alone in Europe realizes she is not alone.